Welcome to the channel. My name is Dmitry, and today I am reporting from Canada, an unusual spot for our videos, but I was driving by a Belarus tractor, something you just don't see very often, certainly in US, and not in this original condition. From the functionality standpoint, it's not something that would attract AlphaCars, but we thought we would share this content with our viewers. So let's check out this machine, do a quick walk around. Let's do it together. You can see the best of the Soviet technology, and it's right there on the screen, on your screen. You can see it has US labels. This one was produced for Canadian market, and you can see how substantial this is. It's a 4-cylinder diesel. Check out the size of it. Check out the substantiality of everything, and look at the condition of the drive belt. Yeah, has your typical leaks from everywhere. Check out the here's the starter. So this is actually driven by a true starter. Back in the day in Soviet era, there was another gas-powered pull start engine with the clutch that would propel this diesel engine to start. Check out the condition of the seat and all kinds of controls, the batteries, the PTO controls, the amount of linkages. The gauge of the steel is simply stunning. Let's check out the tires if they are still Soviet era. 155, 33. Yeah, it's definitely a Soviet era tire right there. Look at the rear PTO and all the linkages, the gas tank, it's all there. Here's the backup lamp. Looks like it looks like the same manufacturer as the one makes the spotlight for Urals. The cab is substantial. Well beads, and you can see the overhead control panel. Not much left of it. It is available for sale, not through AlphaCars. This is just a video overview. I decided to do, just because you don't see Belarus tractors in one piece, you just don't see them. But look at the substantiality of the four-wheel drive system here, and the tires held up all these years, and they're still original tires. And I don't know if this tractor, what year it is. Kind of looks like a modern design. Yeah, no joke, this is a modern design Belarus. Looks old, but it's certainly the latest the factory had to offer. It actually has a smell of the old Soviet tractors. I've seen a few of them. They didn't look as good as this, and they've done a lot of work. That will give you an idea of the machine and how it held up over the years. And it actually looks pretty complete. Looks like it delivered a lot of good service, a lot of work over the years. As you can see, it's quite heavy duty, and it looks like the current owner is trying to find a home for it. And it's still good running, and it looks like it's available for 4,500 Canadian dollars. So just to give an idea of the price reference. Thanks for watching this short video from AlphaCars channel. My name is Dmitry, and until next time.